Good day everyone and welcome back to BFA501. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Toad for MySQL. Toad for MySQL is a free software that we are going to use in this unit. It can run both on Windows and Mac. There's a slight differences between Toad that run on Windows and Toad that run on Mac, but the difference is not that much. You can download Toad from this website, toadworld.com. And then once you download Toad, you will have this kind of icon on your desktop, the green frog icon. The things that you need to do is you just double click the icon and then it will launch the application. And then this is pretty much the view that you're gonna have once you open your Toad for the first time. Okay, the next things that you need to do is to establish a connection with a database server. For this unit, we already prepared a MySQL database server for you, and you can access it using internet, via internet with Toad. So, in order to establish a connection, in order for you to be able to establish connection with the database servers that we already provided for you, first you need Toad for MySQL. Second is you need to have an internet connection. So if you only have Toad on your laptop, but you don't have any internet connection, you won't be able to establish connection with a database server that we already provided for you. Once you install Toad and once you have an internet connection, you can establish connection with the database server that we prepare for you. To establish a connection with the database server, you need to uh, click this icon. There is a connect button over here with the electricity plug icon. It also gonna be the same case with you that run Toad on Mac. So on Mac there will be a very similar symbol like this. Once you click it, okay, there will be like an input form that you need to fill. For the group, just leave it with MySQL because MySQL is a database server that we are going to use. Connection type, just leave it to TCP. For the host, you need to change it. We already prepare a server with the name BFA501.info. So this is the host name or the server name that we already prepared for you. And then for the username, we prepare a username student. So the username will be student. And the password will be accountant with capital A, accountant with capital A, and then end it by exclamation mark. So I will review again, show you from this page. Okay, connection type will be TCP, the host name will be BFA501.info, and then the password is accountant with capital A, ended by exclamation mark. Okay, and the next thing that you need to do is you need to fill the database name. We already prepared one database with the name frozen, so the database name will be frozen. Okay, and leave the port number to 3306, so you don't need to do anything with this one. And then make sure that you tick this one, save password. Save password means that Toad will remember the password for the connection. So next time you open the Toad, you don't have to fill the password anymore because Toad will remember the password for you. Okay. Once you done this thing, you need to save it, and then you will have this new entry, student at bfa501.info. And then in order to establish a connection, the things that you need to do is you just need to double click this entry, and then if you see this one, it's trying to connect with the database. And yes, once the connection is established, you will have this view. So on the bottom left part, there will be like three entry which represent three tables. The first table is products, sales, and temperatures. So there are three tables. Okay, it means that you are successfully connected to our database server. And then in order to do a further testing, the things that you need to do is you need to click this edit. There is an edit button over here. You need to click it. So the edit button here will launch an SQL editor. So basically, this is the editor that we are going to use to enter or to send our SQL statement. So I will introduce you to a very simple SQL statement, which is select all. So select followed by exclamation mark or star sign, it means select all, and then from, and then followed by the table name that we want to see. For the example, let's choose products. Okay, done. So select all from products and then end it by semicolon. It means that I want to see the whole data, all data from table products. Okay, and then in order to execute this command or in order to send this command to the server, the things that we need to do is we need to press this button. There is an execute script button with the icon of like a play button. Just click it and then you will get the result of your query in the bottom, this one. See, so this is the content of the whole content from table products. And then if you want to see the whole content from table sales, you just change the name of the table to sales and then re-execute the query again. And then there we go. This is the content of table sales. So that's all guys for this clip. So the main idea of this clip is to show you how to establish a database connection using Toad for MySQL. Further information or further detail regarding the SQL statement will be provided in the next following video. Thank you and have a good day.